माई चैनल। सो मैंने सोचा है आज से मैं ट्राई करूँगी ब्लॉग करने का ऑन अ डेली बेसिस एंड इट्स ईजियर, वाओ, as I say, easier. It's much easier with my phone, so I'm trying it out. I just took a shower, as you guys can see. I have to get my brows and upper lips done, and most of the people ask me कि आप lockdown में कैसे करते हो? My mom knows how to, so she helps me out. But I'm getting very late. I have to shoot for a brand, and then I have to shoot for Instagram and then YouTube. So I have to do lots of stuff today. I'm going to the studio. I'll show you guys my studio today. So let's go. क्या आप ready हैं मेरे look की हालत देखने के लिए? But can't do without coffee. This is what happens, guys, when I'm selecting outfits for my shoot. But yeah, I'm planning to do a video. I'll keep you guys updated. Something related to this. Loads of clothes here. I have to clean the mess also once I'm back. But yeah, let's have coffee and get ready. Hey guys, so we are in the studio right now. As you guys can see, बहुत echo होता है इस room में, बहुत problem होती है जब भी मैं uncut कृतिका shoot कर रही हूँ. I'll give you guys a quick tour of the place. Shoot के पिछले दिन के पड़े होते हैं सामान, वो यहाँ पर होता है. I'll keep you guys here so you can see me doing my makeup. First thing first, I always use oil on my face. अब मैं टाइम लैप्स चला दूँगी बिकॉज लेट हो रहा है. स्टॉप मोशन है या जिफ? We are shooting for Plum and I have to do a no makeup look and then I have to create a bold eye. I'll show you guys. अभी तो हम no makeup look ले रहे हैं पहले. This is what it looks right now. मैंने मस्कारा नहीं लगाया, so I think because of that मेरी eyes थोड़ी वो लग रही है. We'll see the magic in a while. I have something in my eye. We have to create this look. I'll keep it somewhere on the screen. मैंने करा तो नहीं है ऐसा कुछ. We'll see. काफ़ी close हैं आप, थोड़ी दूर जाइए, मुझे उधर देखना है. Mirror on the wall. There's no mirror here at all. दुविधा के लिए खेद है. My mom called. मैं सब नहीं होना चाहिए वैसे, प्लीज़ भगवान. टेप लगा लेती हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत हो गया है, थोड़ा बहुत हम ठीक कर लेंगे with the help of trusty old earbuds. Not gonna lie, I love this kajal, but I hate the fact कि इसको ज़्यादा pressure डालो तो ये break होता रहता है बार बार. But otherwise, it's a good one. And I am running late, so I have to quickly finish it. एक साइड पे हमेशा सही बन जाता है और एक साइड पे हमेशा प्रॉब्लम आती है. क्यों ऐसा क्यों?
2000 years later.
अब हम मस्कारा लगाएंगे और हम चलेंगे क्योंकि आज के लिए इतना ही मिलेगा. Okay guys, quick update. I'm done with my looks. मुझे 2 looks create करने थे actually. Done with it. Now I'm planning to shoot a YouTube video for the top. This is from Urbanic and now we'll set up. I'll give you guys a quick tour of the place. This is where we shoot most of the time with the backdrop. Then we have furniture here. So ये हमने किसी cafe से लिया था. They weren't actually using it, so we asked them if they are throwing it away. We took it. Yes, recycle, reuse, we all about that. And the chairs are also from them. And this I'll show you guys in a video. And then we have our equipments and everything here. And guys, don't judge me. ये पूरा सब change होने वाला है. But मेरे को ज़्यादा दिखाना भी नहीं है इसलिए. Going to be a long process. But मैं सोच रही हूँ सबसे पहले मैं ये room start कर दूँ. थोड़ा change करना और मैं ये दिखाऊँ, like final look दिखाऊँ. ये bed भी almost ready है. And then we have a big light here and idhar we shoot most of the time. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen that. The kitchen is here. So that was it. And अब मैं बाकी का next किसी वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी. But यही है अभी हालत यहाँ पर. I think I'll shoot for some time and then I'll leave. I had rajma rice today, guys. I'm so happy.
Think about you all the time. You got me loose. My heart was troubled. Now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue. The snow is gone now.
Guys, rajma chawal. Came back from the studio and I'm having rajma rice right now. I am going to finalize a few pictures and I'm actually finally announcing it on Instagram that I have a podcast. 4 महीने हो गए मुझे और मैंने एक बार भी announce नहीं करा है, but finally doing that today. I have to remove my makeup, change into comfy clothes, and I'll talk to you guys once I'm done with my. Okay, so for the outfit of the day, I'm wearing this crop top from Urbanic and the jeans are from Shein. I'm really sorry. मैंने बहुत पहले order करी थी ये jeans and finally got them. So let me know if you want to see a Shein haul. मैंने last package जो मंगवाया था, I can do that for you guys. But yeah, that's my outfit of the day. That's Princess. No one gives me power. Why? But this is my OOTD. Really love the jeans though. Also, I love the combination of this satin top with oversized baggy zipped denim. Hi, Princess. She's busy. Guys, I had a productive day today. एक दो चीज़ें मेरे को रह गई हैं दिन में जो मैंने प्लान करी थी. मैंने एक Instagram वीडियो सोची थी वो मैं नहीं कर पाई. But all in all, it was a great day. I tried a few different looks. Eye looks which I showed you guys. I showed you guys how I shoot BTS and then a quick studio tour. I know this is not a proper studio tour but I will do one really soon. Let me know if you want to see that. मैंने I think जब लिया था ये studio तब मैंने vlog करा था and उसके बाद I'm vlogging after 5 months studio में pandemic की वजह से everything is off the track. But let me know if you want to see that. And I have और जो मैंने बोहो बेडरूम जो सोचा था वो भी ऑलमोस्ट हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट वीक तक. आई विल व्लॉग दैट ऑल्सो. आई गॉट दिस बुक फ्रॉम द स्टूडियो. मेरे स्टूडियो में बहुत सारी बुक्स पड़ी हुई है. आई थिंक ओवर 30-40 बुक्स पड़ी हुई है एंड आधी मेरे घर पे पड़ी है. आई लव रीडिंग बुक्स एंड आई लव कलेक्टिंग बुक्स ऑल्सो. सो आई गॉट दिस बुक कॉल्ड इन्फ्लुएंसर. व्हाट्स दैट वी डोंट नो बट आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दैट टुडे and I'll give you guys some pointers and what I learned tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let me know if you want me to do it on a daily basis. If you enjoyed this, अगर नहीं पसंद आया तो भी बता दो. I will stop doing that. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.